In this session, I'll show you how to use the template provided in the course material. Perfect if you're unsure where to begin when building your commercial. If you're aiming for a basic version, you can start by copying the template or simply just enhancing it with a few glow effects, different animations, or transitions to give it a personal touch. However, I strongly encourage you to challenge yourself by using your own products and crafting a commercial in your own style. And if you're one of the students looking to go above and beyond, try incorporating 3D elements, sound effects, or any of the advanced techniques you've learned throughout the course. If you're going with the style I created, take a look at the material provided. I've included a template that you can simply duplicate. From there, delete the slides you don't want to use and continue duplicating and customizing until you have a complete commercial. You can move or remove any dots or lines from the template and then add animations to the dots, timing them to match the voiceover you added. If you need help with the timing, you can head to the other slides in the template and open the animation pane. There, you'll see exactly how each element is timed and layered in relation to the voiceover. Use this as a reference to adjust the duration, delay, and order of your animations, so they align naturally with your narration. It's a great way to reverse engineer the flow and make sure everything lands at the right moment. Try to have fun with it, and when you're done, congratulations. You've completed all 7 modules. The only thing left is to record your final presentation. I'll show you exactly how to do that in the last and final session. See you there.